guys, we are back again with a new reaction video. I'm Akanksha
And I'm Ayushi.
and we are
The Army Sisters. I first heard the song when the album was released. The lyrics felt touching my heart.
One day when Festa's schedule was about to release, I was listening to this song and writing my assignments, and something crossed my mind. How would it be if the MV of the song is released?
It's like a dream come true. And here is the MV for the song. So let's not waste any of our time and jump into the music video. So let's get it!
Big hit music.
Music and artists for healing.
The light opens.
Big Hit Entertainment Studio.
Rap monster. Whoa, that's
Wow.
a mirror. Like he's seeing a reflection of
2019 RM. It's 2013 RM.
JK,
No more dream.
the bus.
We India Bulletproof Part 2.
This is the eternal.
Wow, that part.
That's the J-Hope.
In no. Too much crime.
Jin, Born in Love.
Jimin. Danger.
Jinx.
The obstacles.
Like everything is going.
BTS.
It's not going according to us.
Cheers.
Something getting drowned by the box. Getting drowned.
Sugar. I need you.
That's what. I don't want you to drown.
I don't want to like.
Like he has reached the bulletproof.
Young forever. Run! There are no more dream costumes. Jimin!
He's on the car.
Directors. Let's spread our tears. Not today.
Spring Day. The immortal queen.
Hey, that's concert. Oh. It's Army. Army bombs.
Like when it does.
Aliens. Galaxy.
Start making the constellation.
Wow, it's like the stadium. All the army bombs.
Yeah, the purple lights. We have an imaginary army.
They're consoling him.
Yes, he's crying. The tears are.
Army. Army symbol. We are not seven with you.
You guys want to make me cry?
It turned into BTS symbol.
Oh, the blue skies.
with love.
Boy with love.
Big magical.
They have come so far.
Yeah, we are not seven with you.
Yeah, we are not seven with you.
We are
From No
not
More
seven
Dreams
with
to Boy with Love. They've come so far. And now we are listening to We Are Bulletproof, the Eternal.
Still
I
a
want
long
to
way
wipe-
to go.
I want to wipe my tears. I just prepared my tissues ready because I know I'm going to cry for this song.
Every army cries for this song, I guess. This song started off with describing their training and practice days and parts of their previous MVs as well.
And how song started off? So much pain, too much crying. I really felt like crying, you know. But the pain they have gone through and the tears they have shed has made them what they are today.
Oh, we were only 7. But we have you all now. Yeah, this line made me realize that BTS family has started off with 7. But do you know what's the magic of the family?
What is it?
We were there, but we did not realize that we were part of this amazing family.
Yes, we didn't even realize, but now we are a part of it. Not to forget these two beautiful lines. We are together bulletproof. And we are forever bulletproof. They're together and forever. We are bulletproof. Army's bulletproof.
This line, throw a stone at me, we are not afraid anymore, made me realize that BTS has grown so high that the stones aren't even reaching them anymore. Even if they are reaching them, they are not scared to tackle them.
Yes. Then punch. When they asked us,
Tell me your every story, tell me why you don't stop this.
and Jin continues,
Tell me why you still walking with us.
All these lines are very, very nostalgic. We don't have our story like any other armies. Our story is very simple. That we got to know BTS, bam, we are here. We don't know this feeling. What is this feeling? But we can't stop this, We can't stop this, and we don't want to even. We don't know why we are walking with you guys. But it's the happiest path we walk through.
BTS is just a feeling that can't be described in words.
And yeah, we got to heaven.
And yeah, we got to heaven. Hey, we forgot this important line.
Which line?
Our once ridiculed and shameful line is now set in steel.
Yes, they are now set in steel. No one can even touch them.
After watching the MV, we are smiling proudly through our tears. Don't touch what we can't afford. So we are
Bulletproof. We are together bulletproof.
No. We are bulletproof. Stop. So
Irwin
continue.
Jungkook. Scan and Jungkook.
Oh, okay. That's unexpected. So this was our reaction video to We Are Bulletproof, the Eternal. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up.
And if you have any recommendation, let us know in the comment box below. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.
See you in the next video.
Bye bye.